How to create 3-minute video on TikTok. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply launch your TikTok application. Then tap on this plus icon. Then from here, you have to select 3-minute. And then, you have to select 10-minute first and record for some time or record more than 3 minutes, and then you can simply edit it and reduce it to 3 minutes, or you can upload a video from your gallery and then edit it or crop it the way you want. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.